Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Dear cadets, today we are going to start our next lecture of biology of class 9th. Dear cadets, today we will discuss about the fifth level of the organization, organ and organ system level. Dear cadets, we have studied in previous lecture the fourth basic lowest level of the organization. Now we are going to start fifth level of the organization, that is organ and organ system level. In higher multicellular organisms, more than one type of tissue having related functions are organized together and make a unit called organ. Dear cadets, in multicellular organisms, there are different types of tissue. Now, when in multicellular organism, when more than one type of tissues having related function performing the same function performing the related functions, and when they are organized to perform a specific same function, then they are called as organ. So we will define as organ as when more than when more than one type of tissue having related functions are organized together and make a unit called organ. Different tissues of an organ perform their specific function, and these functions collectively become a function of that organ. Dear cadets, सेम जब टिश्यू लेवल हम पढ़ रहे थे तो उसमें यही बताया था मैंने कि डिफरेंट सॉरी सिमिलर एक ग्रुप ऑफ सिमिलर सेल होता था, वो सिमिलर फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा होता था, तो उस वक्त हम उस ग्रुप को टिश्यू कहते थे। अब यहाँ पे क्या है ऑर्गन के अंदर कि एक डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोर देन वन टाइप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टिश्यूज हैं और वो सेम फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। वहाँ पे सिमिलर सेल थे लेकिन यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टिश्यूज हैं और उनका एक ग्रुप है, वो आपस में कनेक्टेड होके ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होके एक यूनिट बना रहे हैं, तो उस यूनिट को हम यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं ऑर्गन। नाउ वी विल लुक दैट in an organ there are different tissues are present, but each and every tissue is performing its own specific function. Each and every one is specific to his function. Now the functions of all of these organized tissues is known as a function of that organ. Next, for example, stomach is an organ specialized for the digestion of the proteins and for storing food. Dear cadets, here we can come to know that there are two basic functions of the stomach. First is to digest proteins, and the second one is to store the food for a moment, for a few minutes. Now, two major types of tissues are present in its structure. In the structure of the stomach, there are two major types of tissues. Number one is epithelial or glandular tissues, which secretes gastric juice for the digestion of the proteins. Next, muscular tissues. अब कौन सा फंक्शन ये परफॉर्म करता है? Performs contractions of the stomach walls for grinding of the food and moving food to posterior end. Dear cadets, Two types of tissues are present in stomach. One is First is epithelial tissue. It secretes gastric juices for the digestion of the protein. Now, second one, muscular tissue. They perform contractions of the stomach valve for grinding of the food and moving the food to the posterior end toward the small intestine. So, two tissues perform their specific function, which collectively become the function of the stomach. The next level of organization in multicellular organisms is the organ system level. There connects different organs performing the related functions are organized together in the form of the organ system. There connects different organisms of our body when organized together to perform a specific function to specific phenomena, specific function, related function. Then it is they collectively known as organ system. In an organ system, each organ carries its own its specific function, and the functions of the all the organs appear as the function of the organ system. For example, digestive system is an organ system that carries out the process of the digestion. Now, in this, different organs are included in this process. Major organs in its framework are oral cavity, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas. These are major six organs which are the part of the digestive system. Uh, each of them, every organ of the digestive system is performing its own specific function. All these organs help in this process of the digestion. The organ system level is less complex in plants. In plants, organ system level is simple than animals. For example, root system. This is due to the greater range of functions and activities in animal than plants. Next we have individual level. Circuits, different organs and organ systems are organized together to form an individual or an organism. Circuits, we have studied that different cells they form a group performing same function, form tissue. They then different tissues organize together and form an organ, and different organs organize together and they form a organ system. And now different organs and organ systems are organized together to form an individual or an organism. अब ये ऑर्गेनिज्म एक बना रहे हैं, एक पूरा जानदार एक जानवर जानदार एक बना रहे हैं, ऑर्गन्स और ऑर्गन सिस्टम मिलके सारे के सारे। तो अब ये इंडिविजुअल एक बन रहा है, तो यहाँ पे आप individual level of organization आ जाता है। In organism, the function, processes and activities of the various organs and organ systems are coordinated. For example, when a man is engaged in continuous and hard exercise, not only his muscles are working, but also there is an increase in the rate of respiration and heart beat. This accelerated rate of respiration and the heartbeat supplies more oxygen and food to the muscles which they need for the continuous work. Now, dear cadets, we can see that different organs and organ systems are coordinated with each other. When we people do a hard exercise, then our different organs or organ system coordinate with each other to provide the proper food and supply to our muscles. So then an individual can perform his functions. Next, population level. It's enough for today. I think we will discuss next in the next lecture, in next part of our lecture, population level. Stabilized. Allah Hafiz.